going to do a quick tip this morning, and it's called duplicate in place, and it's one of the more important things that you can learn how to do just to make your life a lot easier. All right, let's go over to Design Space. And right now I've got a heart in here that's been duplicated many times. I'm just going to take that off. I'm going to start with a couple of things here. I'm going to do two different things. One, I'll use the spring bird. Two, I will use some score lines to make those a lot easier for yourself. So let's just start with a shape. Let's just grab a square. Let's unlock it. And let's make the width 10 and 5.5. And I'll just change the color with this. Let's just go for a light purple today. And then I'm just going to lock it into place. Now, some of you have machines where things won't go as deep as you want, such as a score line. So we're going to add a score line to this. And of course, we're going to make the height 5.5, the same as our card. And we're going to grab all of these together, and I'm going to align and then center. And of course, at this point, you know you're going to get a light score line, but if you wanted it a little deeper, this is what you're going to do. You're going to just click on the score line, and this is the important part. You're going to hold down the Alt key. You should see a little plus sign in the center. You can kind of see it where I am. You can see where it is here. All right, I'm just going to move it over here. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, I'm just going to click once, then twice, then 3 times. But you'll notice that it's duplicating everything. So I'm getting 3 cards. So let me just undo that. 3, so we just have the 1. What I want to do is just grab this score line. So I'll go over in the Layers panel. Once again, since it's selected, I'm going to hold down the Alt key. Now I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, it's duplicating all of those score lines, but it's not moving anything here. So if I grabbed all of this and attached it and went ahead and cut that, you would find you would get a really deep score line, and that's an important part. So if you had anything you wanted to put on the front, let's grab a shape here. Let's pretend we want a heart. I'll just change the color, make it pink. Now, for example, that says basic cut, but if I wanted to score that one in place and just make it so that it creates a groove, same thing. I would hold down the Alt key and just click as many times as I want, 4, 5, 6. And then, of course, I want to grab the whole thing and attach it. So what that will do, that will give us several layers of something to get a deeper groove.